All right, in this quick video, I want to show you how to use the sensitivity settings on the control panel of a Hill-Rom hospital bed. I got my beloved mother here as a participant, and she's hiding her face currently, so she won't be on film. So what you want to do is the sensitivity here will have 3 different sensitivities. So basically, when it calls out to the nurse and there's an alarm that goes, of course, to the nursing station to where they know what's going on. You can have it completely off or completely on. So you can have it to where if they're just rolling around a little bit, that will be the first sensitivity right here. So if it's that one right there, that's just if they're moving around a little bit, and you don't want them to do that. The second kind of patient is if they're raised up in bed to where they're sitting down and they're about to get up. That's sensitivity. And the third one is if they get all their body weight completely off the bed, off the Hill-Rom bed, then the alarm goes off. The point about that is because you have different patients, and some it's okay if they move around a little bit. Some is okay if they get up, and some it's not okay if they actually physically get off the bed. So basically it gives them different allowances. So to activate one, you just hold down the green, and let's say I don't want them to move around at all. I'll click that one. If I don't want them, allow them to roll around, but I will not allow them to actually sit down, I'll hold that one down like that. And if I'll allow them to sit up, but I do not want them to give up, I'll hold that one down. So basically you get the picture. And then of course you can weigh them as well by clicking that. That calculates the weight. All right. Now to completely deactivate this, so she weighs 65 kilograms rather. All right, if you just want to completely deactivate the motion sensor, the only thing you have to do is just hold down that